everybody, Lorraine again, and I am working with a 10-inch by 20-inch canvas here. Just putting some white paint. I want to make sure I leave enough because I'm going to do a blow dryer pour here. So, I'm going to make sure I have enough to put it around my paint puddles. Pop some air bubbles in my white paint. Just a minute here. This is much better. Okay, so let's get to it. I picked out some colors. I have a cobalt blue. I have a medium magenta. I have a gold. And I have a little bit of phthalo blue left over. So, try and figure out how I want to do this. What order do I want to go in? I think I'm going to start with my cobalt blue. I'll put 2 puddles down. Pretty close to the center. Some of these paints have Floetrol in them. Some of them have Elmer's Glue All in Water. And I've thinned them out so that they're pretty runny consistency, because that's what works best with this kind of pour. And then I'm going to use up what's left of this cobalt blue. A little gold in the middle. And this isn't the 24 karat gold. This is just a Master's Touch acrylic metallic gold. I hope I have enough white left to go around. Back. Myself a little room. Blow it out. Okay, pretty happy with that. Let me give it a torch. Some air out of it. Some nice cells happening over here. I like the way the gold came up through. Over here that's not covered. Get that all covered. Get this over here. I'm gonna give it a little look here while I'm doing this. Figure out if I want to make any changes. think it's good. I like it. I like the way it's on off the top and the bottom. There's some really pretty lines here. It's very pretty. Nice lines in here. Getting some selling going on. Okay, zoom you in a little bit. Zoom it back out. I'll pick it up here and give it a nice little pan so you can see it. Those cells right there are really pretty. I like that a lot. Okay, everybody, tell me what you think. Thanks for visiting with me. Appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell and you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks again. Bye.